Blessings, it's me, your host Jason, and welcome back to Simple Answers. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use less data, meanwhile using TikTok. As you can see here, let me go into the TikTok app. Let it open up, give it a few seconds. There, it's loaded. After it's loaded, you're going to click on the profile photo, me, down the bottom on the right hand of the screen. Then you're going to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. And while you're in settings, you're going to scroll down. And then you're right there, you're going to click on data saver and turn it on. That's it. And that will allow you to save data meanwhile using TikTok. Again, you click on the three dots, then scroll down, and there you'll see data saver, and you turn on data saver.